Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Miriam. If you're new, if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for returning. So to begin, I'm gonna be taking my L'Oreal Paris Brow Stylist Designer Pencil in dark brunette, and I'll be using it to fill in my eyebrows, and then I'll use the other spoolie side to just brush out my eyebrows and set them in place. Next, I'll be taking my Maybelline concealer in the shade Cafe. This part is completely optional, but if you'd like a clean cut looking eyebrow, then definitely do this step. For foundation, I'll be using my Maybelline Fit Me Matte Plus Poreless Foundation in the shade Deep Golden. I'll just use my foundation brush to buff it into my skin. Afterwards, I'm going to be taking my Maybelline Concealer in the shade Cafe, and I'm just going to be using this to highlight underneath my eyes and on the corners of my eyes. This just helps to brighten up your eye area and give it a nice glow. Afterwards, I'm going to be setting my foundation and concealer using my Airspun face powder in the shade Translucent. Moving on to the eyes, I'm going to be taking my NYX Ultimate Edit Petite palette, and I'm going to be starting with the brown shade just to create nice features for the eyes. And then I'm going to be using my fingers to use the two shimmer shades, and I'm going to be mixing them for a nice warm soft eyeshadow. And then I'm also going to be using those two shimmer shades as highlighter later on. I'm going to be taking the berry like shade, and I'm going to use that as blush. I definitely love this palette. It's a black girl friendly palette, and it's also quite versatile, as you can use the eyeshadow palette for 3 different things for your face. Finishing up the look, I'm going to take my L'Oreal Paris Volume Million Lashes Mascara, and for the lips, I'll use my NYX Butter Gloss in Ginger Snap. Thank you so much for tuning in, and until next time, bye-bye.